Hi guys, I'm at Dunnottar Castle here in Aberdeenshire. Now walk with me, because what we're going to do today, I've been told there's a cave at the bottom of the castle. Now I've got no equipment with me, I apologise if the sound is not so good. There's a little bit of wind here, but what we're going to do, we're going to go look at Dunnottar Castle first of all. Just look at that on the headland there, but there's a cave underneath the castle. I'm not sure how long it is, I'm not sure what's in there, but I've been told to go and take a look inside. Bear in mind, I've got no equipment at all. Let's go and see what's going on down there. But first of all, we've got to get down all these steps. Guys, just look at that there. Just take a look at that there. Now we're getting lower and lower. There's hundreds of steps here. I'm okay going down, getting back might be a different ball game, but look. We're going down to the shore there. Now you can just see to the right there, just to the right there, somewhere down there on the shoreland, on the shore side there, you've got the cave. Let's go and see if we can find it. Yeah guys, it's Halloween. Why am I doing this on Halloween? I ask myself, why am I doing it on Halloween? Look at this now, we've got the main way there. That takes you into the castle itself. You can pay to go into the castle, it's well worth doing that. But we're going to bear to the left here, and we're going to head down to the shore. And you've got the coast here. Isn't that fantastic? Just take a look at that. Now it's getting darker. Halloween. Why am I doing it? Why am I doing it? It's the beach side now. It's all a pebble beach here, but where we're going to go into that cave there. I can see the cave just on the right there, but just take a look at that building now. Now in one of those rooms, guys, we have a ghost of one of the previous residents there in Dunnottar Castle. Now I don't know which room he or she haunts, but let's hope she's not down in the cave today, because I don't really want to be meeting ghosts on this cave walk, to be honest. That's the last thing we need on a Halloween. Yeah, you can just see the coast there now, guys, the beach. It's a pebble beach here. It's all very accessible. Now then, if you just take a look up there, you'll see the side of the castle. Now we're going to head, you can probably just see that black slit there. Well, that's where the cave is. Now I want to go in there, because I've been told it's a very big cave and it's worth a visit. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be brave enough to get all the way into the cave today, but let's hope we can get part of the way in, because already it's starting to feel very spooky. Now, I've checked the tide times, we're okay with the tide times, there's no problem there, we're not going to get stranded, because it can happen. It can happen. What a gorgeous place this is, guys, Dunnottar. Now it's well worth a visit to the castle. But just look at that, we're at low tide now, more or less. Absolutely fantastic, isn't it? You've got the cave entrance just there. We're going to make our way into there. But just look at the age here. Now, I don't know whether you can see that at the top there, just that bit there that's hanging up. Now that's the remnants, I would think, of the old stone wall, which would have, perimeter wall, which have joined onto that. It's probably been eroded away now, and lots of it would have fallen down over the years, and I'm sure eventually the castle will disappear, but for now the castle's standing. And I can't really emphasise the fact that if you are over in Aberdeen, in Stonehaven, come and visit Dunnottar Castle. It's absolutely breathtaking, it really is. Yeah, so we're getting closer now, folks. Here we go. Now you can just see the entrance to the cave. I'll try not to fall over. Now this castle's hundreds of years old. And again, I'll just pan round. You can see what's up there. And we've climbed all the way down that stairway just to the right there. Now again, I apologise for the quality, because I'm not prepared for this. It's something that I just decided to do because it's Halloween. I've got no external microphone with me, and no steadying equipment for the camera. There's the cave, folks. Wow, wow. Am I going to go in there? What do you think? Is it worth going in? Let's go and take a look. Okay guys, we'll make our way into the cave. Now I'll just do a pan round, guys, just to show you where we've come from. You can see there's the entrance to the cave. Look, you can see how far we've gone in already. You can see the sea there. Now this is where we're going to head towards. We're going to go in here. Now I apologise because the light is terrible, but as we make our way in, remember there's a ghost in the castle as well. Let's hope that there's no ghosts down here. Let's hope that they don't visit it down here. Now, we're just going in. It's quite a way. Guys, it really is quite a way. Now, if you can just see that there, you can see how far it goes back. All the way back over there. Look, can you see how far that goes? But I'm just going to keep making my way in. I can't believe I'm doing this on Halloween. How many people would do this on Halloween? Would you do this, guys? I'm asking you, would you do it on Halloween? Would you do it any night of the week, let alone Halloween? Now I'm going deeper and deeper into the cave. Now I'm not sure, but I can see something up that corner there. I can see something up that corner there. I'm not sure what it is, but we're going to keep going deeper. I've just hit my head on the ceiling there. It's getting shallower and shallower, but we're going to go all the way in, all the way. Where's the lights gone? The lights have failed, guys. The lights have failed. I'm not too happy about this at all. There's absolutely no light in here whatsoever. I have no idea what's going on, but I can see something moving up here. I'm not happy. I'm not happy, guys. There's something not quite right there. Not quite right there, guys. I just can't work out.